I was terrified and I was scared for everyone else.
Did you overreact?
No, sir.
27-year-old Mitch Brailsford testified for 2 days last week, telling the jury what he was seeing and thinking the day he and other officers arrived at this La Quinta. They were responding to reports of someone pointing a gun out of a window, and they encountered Daniel Shaver in a hallway.
I have to presume he's armed based on my training.
Brailsford's testimony is absolutely critical because he is the essence of self-defense.
Criminal defense attorney Jason Lamb says Brailsford's defense team will argue he shot Shaver in self-defense, and that makes the prosecution's case more difficult.
The prosecutor will give the first closing argument, and it's going to be critical for the prosecutor to argue that this was an intentional killing. But uniquely under Arizona law, it is the state that has the burden of disproving that Brailsford acted in self-defense.
In the body camera video, Shaver comes out of his room with his hands up and begs officers not to shoot. But at one point, he moved his hand down.
Moving directly to the side, it looked exactly like someone was drawing a pistol.
Ultimately, it's going to come down to what Brailsford saw through his eyes because he was the lethal cover officer. And whether he was reasonable is really what the jury is going to have to consider. In my opinion, although I've been wrong before, I think this case results in a not guilty verdict.